Hello mga ka-family! Ngayon ay gagawa tayo ng Pinoy Coconut Macaroons. Sa isang bowl, ilagay ang mga dry ingredients. 2 cups desiccated coconut, half cup flour, half tablespoon baking powder, at half teaspoon salt. Haluin ng mabuti at itabi na muna. Sa isang separate bowl, ilagay ang 1/3 cup softened room temperature butter at 1/4 to 1/3 cup white sugar. Dito sa sugar, if sweet tooth kayo, you can use 1/3 cup of sugar instead of 1/4. But for this recipe, I only use 1/4. Ilagay ang dalawang itlog one at a time. Ginagawa ito to allow the cream butter sugar mixture to effectively retain yung trapped air. Be sure to scrape the sides of the bowl so all the mixture is incorporated. Isunod ang 1 teaspoon vanilla at 1 can condensed milk. Give it a good mix. Ilagay ang dry ingredients sa wet ingredients at haluin ito ng mabuti. Lagyan ng muffin liner ang ating mini muffin tray. Ang liner na ginamit ay grease-proof na, so no need to spray some oil. Para almost the same ang mga sizes, ang ginamit ko dito ang pag-scoop ay 1 tablespoon. I-bake ito in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. And this is the exciting part, the taste test. Sarap. Eat well and enjoy with family and friends. Happy tummy!